first thing for today is to get ready the stuff for the inspection on Friday. If I'm not wrong, it's on Friday. So now I bought yesterday. I bought big boxes of plastic so I can take all these oil jerry cans, all what is in here, and just put it nice into two big boxes so oil cannot drop, blah 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 blah. So let's do that and then move on with this one. This one I want to finish it today. That's the plan. So later in the week I can move on with those two. Bam bam. And of course this one. So yeah, what happened with the Norton 850? I had some parts ordered for the clutch, but those they went missing because the post company, they just, I don't know what happened, but the package went missing, and now I'm waiting to get a new package. Yeah. The containers now are ready. I still need to throw away a lot of empty cans and so that I have there. All that must be gone. Here is the 3TA, that are old tires, and these are the things that I needed to do for the inspection. So now all the oil is in here. If you pull up this one, there are all the jerry cans that I have. I don't know if it's possible to see. It's pretty dark, but yeah, there are 3 layers of jerry cans, and then this on top, because this is the most things that I use. So yeah, voila. And this is one, and this one is with the spray paint, and so yeah, it's really dark, sorry, but yeah, and underneath too. So voila, these are like 300 liter barrels, I don't know, yeah, water barrels, I think that's the proper name for it. So yeah, let's get to it with this one. And at 3 o'clock in the middle of the day, I need to go and put that motorcycle on my name, because I didn't do it yet, but I need to do it today. But first I want to work on this one. Yes, let's go. Right now, this side is now done. So one here, the one in the middle, one underneath, and now it's firm, it's good. Still moving a little bit here on the top, but it's because the other side is loose. I need to make the other side, but it's looking good. I like it. And I was testing how free you get here. Let's see, and it's just enough for your foot. So bam, 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 bam. So I'm happy with that, yeah. Okay, so let's see. This one is fixed now, so that's good. The plate for the ignition coils is there, so I move it. The gas tank right now is open, fully open, so it can go deeper in and the line is better. Then the next thing I wanted to do is this one, but I'm waiting now for the answer of the owner, because actually if I cannot cut this one, then I need to place it there. But I would love to make it in the middle of here, because I think it's gonna work better. But I still wait for the answer, so let's see. So that, and then tomorrow I will take the carburetors out and check for the rubber, for the leaking problem, and hopefully the owner gave me an answer for that. And then yeah, the speedometer, still waiting for the answer too. So yeah, that's it for today, so let's go. tomorrow more. Okay, so yesterday it didn't went as planned because yeah, I wanted to work on those two a little bit and then the goosey, but it wasn't possible. I got so much people yesterday on the floor. Well, I mean here in the garage, visitors and another jobs, a few other jobs. Like yes, I know. I said I wouldn't get any Japanese bike, but this is from somebody I know. And yeah, I need to do this engine, or at least check what is going on with her. And I was like, okay, well, this could be a quick fix. It's not like I need to do some electrical, it's just mechanic, you know, overhauling. So I said like, yeah, okay, I like to do that, yes. So, let's see. Right now I'm going to start the day by searching the parts for the goosey, that's one. Then, when I have all the parts from the goosey, I will check for the cables for this one, for the Dominator, and then I will start to work on this to fix it here and so yeah, now I'm gonna take it slowly because I'm waiting actually for the answer of that bike. When I get the answer, then I can do the last things that I can do, and then it's done. Yeah, so let's see. There we go.
Relax, smoking.
Woo! Okay. Thursday morning. Let's go at it. Yeah, let's finish this one. At least the welding work. That's what I want really to finish this week. Like all the welding work that it's done, that I don't need to think about it. The only thing left then, it will be the carburetors. I need to take them apart and so, but for that I need to order the parts too. So, but for today, I wanted to do it yesterday, but yesterday was a really busy day. A lot of clients coming by and yeah, too much social work, unfortunately. It's good, of course, but yeah, I need to work, you know. So yeah. So yes, let's get at it. Let's get at it. Voila, another one done. Next thing now, but it's looking really good. I like it. This is done. The old bike actually right now, all the welding things are done, and I even took the carburetor out, and I opened and I checked what the problem was. He told me that it was leaking between the carburetors, and I was like, yeah, I know that problem, and most of the time it's just this. Voila, there you go. Yeah, so this rubber, this T part must be changed. Yeah. Voila. There we go. Thursday morning. I really needed to thought about that. Right now I was cleaning up this for tomorrow, the inspection and all that. You know, now everything is clean here. And now I need to put this one. I need to put it in here and take those away. So if it's a fire, you can always grab it quickly. So voila, let's see. Pop. Yeah. So that and well, once that's done, it's on place, and so then I will start to work on the green dominator and in the other one. And later on, I think around 4 or so, I will order the parts for the Guzzi, because I wanted to do it already, but I couldn't find a few things, and I really need to look up for them. Like this little filter, gasoline filter. I cannot find it in the official Guzzi site, so now I will search it on the Lorto, because this one has literally a hole on it. So yeah, little things, just tiny little things. But the main things I can find it, and like something that I cannot find, I didn't find yet, is this rubber. The rubber that it has here, I cannot find it. So let's see. Later I will try, and like always I will find it, but sometimes you need to invest more time to find these little things. Dirty, dirty. Nice. Meh. Okay, so right now with this one is now done. Voila. Okay, stainless steel plate. Let's see. Okay, I needed to make it twice because the first time I made it, you can see this curve. Okay, so this one is thicker than the first I made, and I actually weld a spacer there. First I did a spacer, I make a spacer, and but I didn't weld it. Now it's one unit, so you can take it all in one piece out. Voila, so that's proper. The cables are good now, and I was now putting this one, let's see, all back together. But of course it doesn't fit, because once you put those, the banjos and everything, it doesn't fit because it's hitting there, just at the back. So right now I will need to make this plate so it just stays into here, something like this, and it elongates like this plate. So that's what I want to make. I want to make a plate that it goes like here, like this, and voila, simple plate. But yeah, still, yeah, unfortunately. So yeah, and this one, I found this one upstairs. Let's see. So that's good because now another problem is solved. So yeah, now I just need to have a spacer for here. Yeah, and that once is done and this is fixed, so it cannot move. And this one too. Then I can put brake liquid on it and test it. So let's go. So guess what? Okay, hopefully I'm in camera. I was popping, and I see that only the right brake is getting liquid, and I'm like, that's so weird. So I open the other one, nothing. I open here the line, nothing. Then I'm like, let's check if this one is actually drilled through, because it should be open. So the 4 points should be all connected. It isn't. So yeah, let's drill it through and be done with it. But come on, come on. Aftermarket parts. Yeah. I can see the light. Here we go. How do I? did it with the Kawasaki. Yeah, we, we didn't do anything besides change the air filter, and then it wasn't running. I was like, what the fuck? So we adjust the carburetors. I tried to adjust it, and then he was like, if we do that, then I would change the air filter. And once we changed the air filter, nothing was working. Oh my god. Funny. So yeah, let's get back to work. So right now, let's take and put some more brake oil in it. I don't know how to call it, or brake liquid brake. Put more on it and pump it and see if everything is working now. And let's get on with it. Yes. Okay, so with the Honda, as you can see, there is some color. Let's see. From being hot red, or it looks like it at least. So yeah, I still need to measure it, but it doesn't look good. Yeah, it doesn't look good. But further, it's actually pretty well. It's good. Like the play and so, it's not crazy, but only this. I can see that it's really hot. Has been really hot. So we will see. So there we go. Next week more. So see you next week. Come on. Oh, no. Okay, so. Yep. Okay, now.